Greetings from Quad Axis International. This is a test of the Siren model CJB200 watts with a cast iron flat type concealable speaker together with the well-known Federal LED strobe lights brand, red and blue, and of course the plain white. Let's test the microphone.
Mic test, microphone test, 1, 2, 3, 4. Microphone test, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's test the siren. The right side, which is the blue and green. Also, the switch is now supported in the Siren controller. The left side, the plain white. And that concludes our test for the day. Once again, thank you. This is Quad Axis International.